Hey guys, and welcome back to another Kaspa video. I hope you're doing great today. And before we dive in, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if we take a look at the current crypto market, it's a little bit boring and it's a little bit red. We have some corrections, we have some cooling off, and in general, it is a good thing because it is a healthy correction. So if you take a look at the fear and greed index, we are in neutral right now, so I think we are due for a big reversal, and I think we're probably going to see a big bounce back up for the altcoins and Bitcoin, of course, in the relatively short term. And I mean by that is in a couple of days/weeks, because the cooling off is already done, in my opinion. So if we take a look at the Kaspa price right now, we are sitting just below 10 cents. Not financial advice, but I think this is a great DCA opportunity if you don't have any Kaspa yet or your Kaspa bag isn't full yet. So I think it's looking great in the sense of DCAing in. So we're currently sitting at a market cap of $2.2 billion with a volume of 16 million. And if we take a look at the last 7 days, we have some bearish price action, but it has nothing to do with the fundamentals of Kaspa. It's just the general crypto market. It's cooling off, and that is what we're seeing in the Kaspa price. If we take a look at the monthly, it's more a sideways price action, and I think this is the calm before the storm and the moment before we're going to bounce back up pretty hard. So it is again a pretty boring time, but this is the time you should buy and /DCA in. Not financial advice, but that is what I am doing. So right now, if we take a look at the current technical side of Bitcoin, we are minus 1.8% and we below the 41k level. The question is, are we going to break this to the downside and possibly see around 38k level? If we do, I expect from that area a big bounce up. I think there is a lot of buy pressure over there, and there is also a possibility that we will bounce back up from this candle, and you're just going to see a wick down, and we are going to bounce back up. So we have to wait and see. Nobody knows what Bitcoin is going to do, but I expect we will bounce back up, or we go a little bit more down to the 38 level, in my opinion. And if we do, again, we're going to see a big bounce up. And of course, the total market cap of the altcoins, it's also going to the downside because of Bitcoin, and that's why we see the whole crypto market is in the red, except Myro, of course. If we take a look at the Kaspa chart, 10 cents is a really strong psychological level, but we're below it right now. But I wouldn't expect, if we bounce back up further in the day and we just see a wick below the 10 cents area, there is a possibility if it's draining too long around the 10 cents that we're going to break it and that we will fall below it for some time. And I could see 9 cents, 9.3 cents as a possibility, but it's no guarantee at all. So in my opinion, around this level, between 9 and 10 cents is a great DCA opportunity. Again, when Bitcoin will bounce eventually, and it will happen, Kaspa will bounce back up as well, is my expectation, and I think we will see 11 cents very quickly and even 11.5 cents, and if we flip that into a support level, we will go back up. So we have to wait and see, and the most important thing right now is to have conviction and have patience. So if we take a look at there's no fundamental news right now. I made a video yesterday of the article was written by Nicholas. He's the former lead research for the listings on Binance, and he made a really nice article about the potential of Kaspa. So if you didn't check it out, check that video, because it's a really bullish case for Kaspa. If we take a look at the current followers, we are at around 190,000 followers on Kaspa, and I think that's pretty big. I will going to monitor this amount, and let's see if it's going to increase or not. Again, I think it's really wonderful, and we need to remember that Kaspa is sitting in around spot 38, I guess, 38, without any T1 listings. No Kraken, no Binance, no Coinbase. So as soon as that is happening, we get a T1 listing. I mean, it should be logical that we're going to be in top 20. And that means we are sitting around a 5 billion market cap. So that will make the price around 30 cents. And I think that will happen eventually. It's just a matter of time that we get a T1 listing. So I know it is boring time for Kaspa, but have patience and have conviction. It will come. I almost guarantee that. So again, let's check some metrics on Kaspa. Hash rate is sitting around 150 petahash per second, so that is looking bullish. And if we take a look at the address distribution, we had some accumulation the last 24 hours. Fishes, dolphins, and sharks. That is looking great. I like to see this. We lost a whale. Nothing to worry about in my opinion. And if you take a look at the top 10 addresses, the number 2, the Gate.io, they gained 12 million Kaspa coin. They are pretty, they are accumulating pretty big in the last couple of days and weeks. The Maxi wallet, one of the 3, lost 6 million. The Op wallet, number 4, stayed the same. The number 5, the Maxi, the second wallet, they gained 1.2 million Kaspa coin. The number 6 stayed the same. The number 7, the third Maxi wallet, they gained 2.1 million Kaspa coin. The number 8 stayed the same, and the number 9, the BitCat wallet, they lost 380,000 Kaspa coins. So nothing to worry about. It's looking healthy. Again, the price action looking healthy in my opinion. We are building a really strong support level over here. Of course, again, we can break it, but it's no guarantee. If you're still waiting for 6 or 5 cents, I'm not sure what to tell you, but I think you're waiting for a very long time, and I don't think there is a big chance that we're going to see it again, only with a flash crash. And if that's the case, the question is if you even can buy, if your orders getting filled by then. It's not sure. So again, I think this is a great opportunity. I hope you're doing well, and I hope this video gave you some valuable insights. Sometimes the crypto space is boring, but this is the time you can make money. This is the time to DCA in, and this is the time to do your research and make good decisions, so you can pick all the return of investments in the next couple of weeks and months. Okay, I wish you all the best. Crypto T out.